VSR systems are a continuous development process. One of our principles, back to the roots with modern bakery technology. Designed for wheat sourdough or poolish, and rye sourdough. First version, hinged lid. 100% access for optimal cleaning and easy scraper replacement. Second version, manhole. In this version, the pressure emptying option can be integrated into the WSL 140, WSL 300 and WSL 450 systems. We have many other options for you, for example, automated cleaning or pump emptying. More on this in the course of this presentation. Our Grido, redefining taste and freshness. In example, WSL 450 performance with 450 kilograms of usable volume. Through an optimally adjusted diameter-height ratio, a large dough surface is generated for oxygen absorption. Emptying is done via an electric two-way ball valve with full passage and therefore little product residue. To achieve optimum dough quality, we prefer long-term processing. During dough production, we cool the double jacket of the product container with an ice-water cooling system. In order to ensure a stable temperature during long-term processing, an electric plate heater is installed on outlet funnel of the container to regulate the temperature. Sight glass option. Keep an overview during production, even without opening the hinged cover secured with a limit switch. The hinged lid version has a circumferential seal. A drip collar is also welded on around the entire circumference. Due to the drip collar that protrudes into the container, the option of automated cleaning with rotary spray heads can also be easily integrated into the hinged lid versions. With the inwardly shaped discharge funnel, we achieve efficient product emptying. Our proven scraper agitator is used in our WSL systems. 4 wheat sourdough and poolish stored on one side. Thanks to the angled filling opening, we achieve 100% accessibility, which ensures optimal cleaning and quick scraper replacement. Some of our options. Water dosing based on a flow measurement, ideally in conjunction with the option of automated cleaning with 2 rotating spray heads switched at intervals. The versions WSL 140, WSL 300 and WSL 450 can also be equipped with a pressure-tight manhole instead of a hinged lid. If you decide on the version with a manhole, we recommend the following option. By applying with pressure, for example for wheat sourdough and poolish, a much faster product emptying is possible. As already mentioned at the beginning of this presentation, our WSL systems can also be equipped with feed pumps. This is often unavoidable, especially when producing rye sourdough. In the case of mobile systems, the water can be extracted using a hand hose provided, whereas in the case of a permanently installed system, piping to a collection point can also be implemented. Thanks to a fold-out platform, the WSL 300 and WSL 450 performance versions can also be easily filled by hand. Some of your advantages when purchasing a WSL performance. Firstly, versatility. Secondly, 100% accessibility for optimal cleaning and efficient maintenance of the scrapers through an angled filling opening. Thirdly, emptying can be carried out using both pressurization and a feed pump. Fourthly, an unbeatable cost-benefit ratio. Weighing station option. With the permanently installed WSL 300 and WSL 450 versions, automated filling is conceivable. Talk to us, we will be happy to develop a concept for you and, if desired, also incorporate existing weighing systems into our planning. Try us. Together we will completely redefine taste and freshness. Your team at VSR.